Hi, my name is John Skiba, and I'm an attorney in the state of Arizona, and I help people who have been sued by debt collectors. A common question I get from people is, how do I know if I've actually been served with a lawsuit? If a debt collector wants to sue you, they have to file the complaint with the court. Once they do that, the court will then give them 120 days, a full 4 months, to serve you with a copy of the complaint and the summons. Usually it happens fairly quickly after they file the complaint. They will hire a process server whose job it is to bring a copy of the summons and the complaint to you at your home. It's important to understand that to be served, you don't actually have to receive it. They can leave it with anybody who looks responsible at your home. That could include your teenage kid. So it's important to understand that you don't have to actually receive it yourself for it to count. They can also serve you through alternative methods like publication. If the process server comes to your house on multiple occasions and they aren't able to get you home, or they aren't able to leave the complaint and summons with somebody at your house, they can go to the court and ask to be able to serve you through publication. This is where they take the complaint and the summons and they'll put it in a classified section of a newspaper. The problem with publication is that you will often not get notice of the service. This will start the clock ticking for you to respond to the lawsuit, and you won't even know about it. These types of cases usually end up in a default judgment, wage garnishments, and all the other bad things that happen from debt collection lawsuits. Sometimes people will tell me that they know the process server has come by and they aren't answering the door, or they're just trying to ignore them and just generally avoid being served with the lawsuit in hopes of just making this thing go away. That's a bad idea. If you know the process server is there to drop off the documents, it's better to get the lawsuit so that you can face it head on. Otherwise, you're going to run into the situation where they will go ask the court if they can serve you through publication. You won't even know the service has actually occurred, and you're likely going to end up with a default judgment before you even know what happened. So if the process servers come by your house, it's a good idea to accept it, contact an attorney like myself, and let's go over your options. If you've been served by a lawsuit and you have questions on this, give me a call. I'm happy to go over all of your options and put together a game plan how we can beat this lawsuit and keep you moving forward. Thanks for watching.